Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's room tour, we'll be looking at our standard king room at the DoubleTree in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, a suburb of Nashville. We'll start with a walk through the lobby and a ride up the elevator. So this is our king room here at the DoubleTree, and this is, first thing you'll notice is this is an unusually shaped room. Everything's kind of at an angle. We'll start with our basic safety features. On the front door we have a peephole, fire exit map, and this is an atrium hotel. The atrium's over here. We're down here in 513. We have a door latch and a mechanical deadbolt. This here is a little closet. And inside the closet we have an electronic safe and a luggage rack. Ironing board, and the iron is up here. So right inside the door we have this little bar here with the microwave, no time setting microwave, but the turntable's on its track. The whole thing kind of rocks back and forth. We have a Cuisinart coffee maker. And apparently it takes those little coffee bag things that you put in a little brew basket here, and that's how you make your coffee. Chamomile tea, some creamer, a couple of glasses, an ice bucket. Down here we have a cabinet with a fridge, and then the fridge is actually cold. Moving into the room, we have a door to an adjoining suite, which has a deadbolt and a safety latch. And then we have the room, which is at this angle here, which is, there's not a lot of room to walk around, but I kind of like the arrangement. It's different. We have a king-size bed. The lamps at the bedside have electrical outlets on either side of them. A small telephone right here. We have a drawer with the Bible in it. Notepad, information about recycling of the towels and stuff. On this side we have another lamp with power outlets. And a little alarm clock. Another drawer with nothing in it. No phone book. Over here we have the television with remote control and a desk. The desk has a lamp with 2 electric outlets. They have some information about the in-room dining and the burger bar, which is downstairs on the first floor at the bottom of the atrium, and they actually have live music in the burger bar every Tuesday. And here's some information about the hotel. Nice ergonomic chair here at the desk. And here we have 4 drawers. All of which are empty. And a chair. The room's kind of dark, but it's well enough lit. That lamp over there doesn't work. The air conditioner is in the window and it is not controlled by a thermostat, so, or at least not a wall thermostat. It's controlled like this. So you don't see that too often anymore. And this is the view out of the window. And we'll see what it looks like during the day. And here's the daytime view. And we're right in a commercial area here. There's a shopping center across the street, a Lowe's. And next door to us over here is a actual shopping mall and a Home Depot. And if you can see way off in the distance, we are surrounded by mountains. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. The wind is kind of dirty on the outside, but we're entirely surrounded by mountains here. So now we're going to check out the bathroom. And as we walk in, we have a nice modern countertop here. A couple of big bath towels, hair dryer, box of Kleenex, and being this is a DoubleTree, we have the higher quality Crabtree and Evelyn verbena and lavender facial soap and bath soap. Over here we have shampoo, body lotion, mouthwash, body wash, and conditioner. And an array of hand towels and washcloths. We have a sink with hot and cold running water. Nice big mirror with a lighted frame. Some artwork on the wall. A toilet. And there's nothing in this little area here. It's not even a shelf. Not sure why that is. But this is another oddly shaped room. It's kind of angled this way, and we have a stand-up shower with glass doors. It's got a rail in case you slip. And I'm on the wrong end of the shower. Switch ends here so we can check out the gigantic shower head. And let's see what happens. Oh yeah, that's like a rain shower there. So that's it for the bathroom. On the back of the bathroom door, they have the maximum room rates, and that's $320 for 2 persons per day, and the rules and regulation and Tennessee hotel laws. And I've stayed in hotels in Tennessee before and couldn't ever find these, and it's the reason why is they post them on the back of the bathroom door instead of the back of the hotel room door. That's something that I've never seen in any other state. So this concludes our room tour. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.